Exercise 4.1, question number 1. Equation is x plus 3 equals to 0 and the value of x is given as x equals to 3. So we have to check whether this value satisfies the equation or not. So we will place the value of x in the equation, that is x plus 3. So in place of x, we'll place the value of x, that is 3. Now we will check the equation 3 plus 3. So that is equals to 6 and it is not equal to 0. So we will write no. The value does not satisfy the equation. In the next, we will put up the value of x as 0. Equation is x plus 3. So in place of x, we'll put up 0. So 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. Again, it's not equals to 0. So we'll write down no. It does not satisfy the equation. In the next, we'll place up the value of x as minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. So it is equals to the right hand side. So we'll say yes, it satisfies the equation. In the same way, another equation is x minus 7 is equals to 1. So we will put up the value of x, that is equals to 7. 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. It's not equal to 1. So we will say no, it does not satisfy the equation. Another value is x equals to 8. So we'll put up 8. 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. So it is equals to the right hand side. So we will say yes, it satisfies the equation. In the same way, we have another equation 5x is equals to 25. In place of x, we will put up a 0. 5 multiply 0. It is equals to 0. It's not equal to 25, which is the right hand side value. So you will say no, the value does not satisfy the equation. In the same way, another value of x is 5. So we'll put up in the equation 5 5 is a 25. So it is equal to the right hand side. So we'll say yes, this value satisfies the equation. So the correct value of x is x equals to 5 for this equation. Now we'll check with other value also, x equals to minus 5. When we put up x equal to minus 5, so we find it is minus 25. So it is not equal to 25. So we'll say no, x equal to minus 5 does not satisfy the equation. Now another equation is m divided by 3 is equals to 2. The value of m is minus 6. So we'll put up minus 6 divided by 3. This equals to minus 2. It is not equal to 2. So you will say no, it does not satisfy the equation. Another value of m is 0. 0 divided by 3 is equals to 0. It's not equal to 2. So you will say no, it does not satisfy the equation. Another value of m is 6. 6 divided by 3, that is equals to 2. So we can say yes, this value satisfies the equation. So correct value of m is 6.